Alright, you guys, I'm back. So today we are going to be going to this. Oh, somebody's calling me. So we're going to be going to the Royal Indian Tandoori. We are going to do a little mukbang. It's gonna be my first time trying Indian food, so I'm going to go ahead and look at their little menu and see what I'm going to get. Let's check out the menu. Okay. It says 100% halal food, flavor bank of extremely Indian spices. Okay. Yeah, I kind of want to get some curry if they have some on here. Let's see. Menu. Okay. So they have chicken samosa, papadam, crispy cracker, chicken tenders, tandoori chicken wings, chicken tikka, sika kebab. I always wanted to try kebab, but I don't know if today's the day for that. Like, I'm not really in the mood for that. Ooh, chicken pakora, vegetable samosa, coconut king prawn, fish pakora, paneer pakora, french fries, samosa. They have chicken soup, multi-getaway soup, dal soup, chicken Caesar salads. And I did my makeup today. How does it look, y'all? Anyways, let's see. I'm trying to download the app real quick. Okay, now I gotta sign in. I don't want to do all that. Okay. Alright, you guys, so okay, I'm trying to see the menu, like the pictures. Okay, here it goes. So what is this? Chicken masala tasted like toilet. Somebody reviewed it and said it tastes like a toilet. Oh, they even have what is that? Das. Can y'all see that? Hold on, let's clean this camera. We're probably just gonna get some chicken curry and okay, why isn't this working? We're probably just gonna get some chicken curry and I kind of want to try this. It almost looks like horchata. It's called the Sweet Lass. Alright, you guys. Let me turn this down. I'm not really sure if I mentioned it earlier, but I'm walking to the place, restaurant. That's where we're going right now. Let me flip this for you guys real quick. It's a minute away. What the hell? I thought it was 14 minutes away. For some reason I wasn't focusing, but I got it. So yeah, you guys. We should be there in like a minute. It's not that far from where I live. Oh shit. So it is 6 minutes away. Minute walk. So I had it on the car mode. But we're walking now, so 6 minutes away. Five minutes away. Can I put an order to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you hear me? Hold on. Let me take you off Bluetooth. Yeah, I did. Can I get one of these garlic?
Garlic bread naan?
Yes, and chicken curry. And French fries.
This one chicken tikka masala?
Yes.
Anything else? Biryani, chicken tandoori.
Yeah, can I get some of this too?
Chicken biryani.
Yes, and that's it. Do you have any drinks? That's it.
Ma'am, spicy mild medium? Spicy mild medium or
Mild.
both mild. Garlic bread naan how many?
I'm sorry?
Garlic bread naan how many?
Just two.
Two.
Yeah.
Everything to go, yeah? Okay, sit down.
Alright, I'll put my we have to have all kinds of food. Looks delicious. Whoa, see? Anyways, whoa, I think this is basil naan. So, white rice. I'll tell you in a minute. Rice.
Yeah, but I think everything is more than just throwing
Fries. This is for the baby. Chicken curry.
How does it, man?
More chicken. And chicken, no, chicken priyank, no, not priyank. Damn, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, chicken brioli. Chicken brioli. It smells delicious. Miss Reality. We are gonna go ahead and make Reality's little food. We're gonna go ahead and put her food in her little plate. So let me go ahead and give her some rice. Right now, maybe because I haven't eaten anything. So let me go ahead and give her some rice. You have to eat all your food, okay? Yes. I'm gonna give you fries too. We're gonna give her some chicken curry, which I don't know if she's gonna like it, but we're gonna give her a little bit of that. I can get this opened. Wow, this smells amazing. Like it's literally making my mouth water a little bit because I'm not sure if she's gonna like it. And then we're gonna give her some fries. You like fries, don't you? She loves fries. Just some regular fries. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try, which I already tried the white rice. It's really good. Delicious. Wow, this looks amazing. Wow. That's good. You like it? Good. It's a little spicy. It's a little spicy, but it's really delicious. Wow. Okay, so next we are going to be trying the I'm not really sure if this is, I'm not sure what, I know it's naan, they call it naan. I don't know if there's anything in there, but let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh wow. It looks like a little pizza. I'm gonna try to add some little curry. I'm gonna give this a 10. We're gonna rate this 10. Let's see. Delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna try these fries, which I already tried them, but let's taste them again. Let's go ahead and add some ketchup. Is this ketchup? Yeah, it's ketchup. Oh, you want more fries? It doesn't have too much seasoning on it and not too much salt, so it's like perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the chicken brioli, I think it's called. Go ahead and try this. Go ahead and try the chicken brioli. This looks so damn good. Like, I can like already taste it. Okay. There's so much food over here. Let me just organize it. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this chicken brioli. That is so much food, y'all. This chicken brioli is amazing. It's so good. Squeeze some lemon. Get it nice and juicy. Mix it a little bit. And wow. Is there chicken? Oh, there is chicken. Let's go ahead and taste the chicken and the rice together. Oh, this chicken brioli is so good. Oh my god. Indian food? Y'all better go get you some Indian food. Y'all better go get you some. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. The place that I went to. So it's called Royal Indian Tandoori. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is the place that I went to in Los Angeles. So if you guys ever come over here and you want to try their food, y'all can come here. I'll put the address and everything on there. This is the place to go. If you guys want to try really good Indian food, okay, so now I'm gonna try the naan. I'm telling you guys, you have to go try Indian food. 10 out of 10. Naan. Fuck that. I'm gonna give that 100 out of 10. That's amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to eat all of this. Probably not gonna finish everything, but I'm gonna continue eating until I get full. Alright, you guys, go ahead and put the food away. I am getting full. Stained my fingers real bad, but it's okay. All of this food was amazing. This is my first time trying Indian food. I've never ever had it ever in my life. I've always wanted to try it. You know, I've heard some really good things about Indian food. So finally got the chance to try it, and it does not disappoint. Seriously. I'm gonna rate everything 100 out of 10. That was so delicious. If you guys are ever in the LA area, y'all can go there, you know. Definitely go there because their food is so good. And their fries are really good too. Like, it's not too seasoned and doesn't have too much salt on it. It's delicious. Oh, it's perfect. But yeah. How did you like your food? So you want to say bye-bye to them? Mm-hmm. Say bye. Bye. See you next time. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we are definitely going to have more videos coming very, very soon. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next video.